Rainbocorns. Fairycorn surprise. Real fairy wings that you can wear?
Yeah, this one.
Oh, wow.
Let's open it.
Okay, you open it.
Ouch. Can you open it, please? It has the ring. I think I know. This is a clue. I love passports. I think it's
Santa believes in me.
what? I look at my shorts. Let's see. You opened it.
Wow, what's that?
See. Magical boat! And this is for the wings.
This is for the wings.
Are you kidding me?
Clip. Let me
There's
see.
so many bubble corns to collect!
What's your name?
Let me see her.
So cute. Cute.
Mama!
Oh, meron din siyang wings.
Mama, let me see so I can figure out who she is.
Okay, look. What's her name? What's her name? Ito ba to?
Baby.
Ito ba to, Bella?
Yes.
Okay.
No Filipino words.
Look at that.
Open
You like
it.
your toy? Yeah?
Do you want me to show you the other one I collected?
Yeah.
Well, I'll go get it later. I'll go get the one I already collected while you open that one.
This
Egg.
one?
The egg.
May egg pa? And this one.
What is it?
Magic color. Mix pop!
Ah! Can you do it?
Oh my god.
Can you do it?
Aww.
This is the other one I got.
Oh my gosh.
Twinsies.
That is so cute. So cute. Oh, here's the egg. Open.
It's so cute. It's a bubble corn.
Bubu?
Yeah, it's a
Bubu corn.
It's a bubble corn. Mama, can you open that
This
one?
one, open it.
Yeah. Let's see. Ew, that's a red
And then you can use this one, Bella.
Yeah, the wings.
The wings. Alright, let's fix the wings too.
Here's the rope.
Yeah, there's a rope. You just have to pull this up from here. What's that? What's inside?
Oh! Yeah. Can you open this side? Meron pa dito. Give it to me.
And then you just mix it. And it's gonna turn what? Tupo?
So it's gonna turn into real one.
I don't know.
It smells good.
Okay, put this on.
Hi everybody, we're making the rainbow corn soup.
There's the poop. That's a poop. Oh, so you're gonna make it a poop. How?
Like, roll it up first. You hold this for
the string. You know how to put it on? Okay, the other side. Talikod ka. Wow! Talikod punta to sa mga wings or ano, diba? Nice.
No, Filipino word.
That's nice. Alright, you come here. Oh, show your ano. Show your...
This is my boo-boo corn.
Say bye-bye.
This is a opposite. This is a boo-boo corn. This is a rainbow.
You like your ano, gift? You like your exchange gift from school?
Yeah, but what's her name? I love passports.
Okay.
What's her name?
Let's see what's her name. What's her name? What's her name? What's her name? Wala dito.
That's not even fair.
I don't think so. Alright, what you say? Uy, what you say? Bella, what you say? Uy. Ay, ito pala siya. Poodle corn.
Saan?
I think she's poodle corn.
Saan?
That one.
Where?
This one. Poodle corn.
No, Mama. What? She doesn't even have the swirl.
Oh, yeah.
And she doesn't have
Oh,
glasses.
ano siya? Sino siya?
No, and her wings aren't like that.
But the color is this one.
No, that's darker.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, say
Mommy,
bye-bye.
which bubble corn did I get?
Bye-bye-bye-bye. Oh, come on.
Wait, I will do it. Bye-bye. 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 No, guys, making...
Is it in the book? Is it changing color?
Yeah.
Okay, bye-bye.